Well, we do have a little bit of good news from the fire situation in Los Angeles. Earlier we were told that James Wood's home was destroyed by the fire, and some idiot named Keith Olbermann was celebrating. Well, we just found out he just got back to his property, and guess what? His house is still standing. A little bit of damage, but it's still standing. It's not destroyed. But his neighbors weren't as lucky. This fire is a little bit strange because it's areas you see blocks and blocks and blocks of homes and businesses destroyed, and then out of the blue you see a house or a structure still standing. So James Wood's house is still standing, which is more than I could say for Hunter Biden's house. That's destroyed. But I wasn't celebrating. I'm glad I didn't. So, no. And to keep Oberman, since you were trying to celebrate James Wood's house burning to the ground, does that mean you're also celebrating the people who died in this fire? Something to think about. Gary Newsom needs to leave office as soon as possible. Bass, folks in Los Angeles, you think you should recall her and get rid of her too. I mean, I heard some scary stories about the fire. I mean, another YouTuber said that the fire was at one time 4 minutes away from her home. She was worried about her guitars. That she was going to lose them. The fire turned back for some reason. There's a woman who found her ring where her home used to be, her wedding ring. And a story like that is going to continue. But we need accountability for the actions of those who didn't provide enough protection for Los Angeles when this fire started.